Hey, my friend Shane from How to Wrench here in Ghana, and with my TA Isaac, and we ran into a need where we needed pry bars to do something we need to do at the zipline nest. And apparently we aren't gonna be able to buy them, but you know what? They're gonna make them. Check this out. This old anvil. We found this iron worker shop, and they're just gonna take some raw material and put it in this kiln. Check this out. This is so freaking cool. And they're just gonna make us some pry bars. How freaking cool is that? And we got Alex. Alex hooked us up locally. Man, what would we do without you? Oh, way cool. All right, I want to use the hammer. This one? This one? Hey guys, I couldn't find pry bars to fix that problem at the nest, so we're actually at a blacksmith shop and they're making them. I'm messing around, being resourceful. We're gonna get it done. So stinking cool. We're gonna go use these, put them to work here at the nest for what we need to do to remove a motor. And this one, look, how beautiful is that? See how strong it holds up without being heat treated, but hopefully it's gonna get us through what we need to do. Man, way cool.